I've been seeing some of your cars and actually impressed by your work.
Thank you.
I have an expression, I call it good hands.
So before the interview, we have take a look some of our car project downstairs. And what do you think about our work? And some car like the high-S commuter, it used the Ultra series from GROUNDZERO, yeah. So maybe you can tell us about these speakers. What makes this GROUNDZERO Ultra special?
We could talk technical about the Ultra speaker, but that would take 2 hours.
Maybe just simple.
But the most striking thing with the Ultra speaker, it's so honest. It's so honest. It's like your best, most honest friend. So if you give Ultra pure music, okay, and a lot of love through a very good installation, that speaker will reward you forever. I promise you. It's so honest. Yeah. So, but if you, how shall I say, neglect the Ultra speaker, it will tell you if there is an amplifier that is not supposed to be there, or if the tuning is not done right, the Ultra will tell you, sir.
So it has to be get a better treatment as well, yeah.
Not better. It should have a proper installation.
Proper.
But I checked your installations and they look very proper to me. So proper damping, door panel should be very stable, and then tuning is actually very easy on the Ultra. It's an excellent speaker. So that actually, for me, define a good speaker. If it's easy to tune, that means it's designed well.
Yeah, designed well. Yeah.
You know, the most difficult thing to tune is a speaker that is not, let's say, perfect, that is so-so. Yeah, we can improve it, of course. We can make it reasonable, decent, but you cannot never have this real musical experience because, you know, you're sitting in the car on the way to the coffee shop. We forget about the coffee shop because we're listening to this song.
So enjoyable.
Yeah, it's so good, so we don't listen to the speaker. We start listening to the music.
Yeah.
Yeah, the perfect speaker is.
You don't realize
you don't think about the speaker. You think about the music. You know, and that is typical Ultra. Cone material. This is a speaker made in Germany. Cone material is made in Germany as well, and it's a special fiber. It's actually. It's just amazing for speakers. Yeah. You can't use it for small speakers because small speakers, it's too stiff.
It's too stiff, right?
It's too stiff. You see, it's too good. Yeah, so if you put that material in a 80mm mid-range or 3-inch mid-range, it gets too stiff, and then you get very weird acoustical problems. But for a 6.5, it's the best speaker cone material I ever worked with. I never worked with anything better. It's just perfect. But again, send me a message when you heard it.
Sure.
Then you will understand what I talk
because
about. It's different.
We haven't heard the sound from the Ultra. But
it's a lightning fast mid bass. It's crystal clear mid range. It's so much details and still soft and elegant.
Yeah, I think that's make a speaker better when the cone is strong but lightweight. Yeah,
it's very lightweight.
It's very lightweight.
Yeah, very well. And then the basket is unique because it's, I would say, probably the most open basket. If you look on the back side of the speaker, you see the magnet system, and then you should always, on any speaker, look at the spider. Look under the spider. Can you see the area under the spider? Is it open? The more open the area is under the spider, the more linear the speaker can be. So let's say you have a perfect spider that is linear, behaving exactly the same way, positive, negative, but you have air restrictions under the spider. This is very common in mid-price speakers, and even some high-end have this issue. What happens is when the speaker play negative, you build up air pressure under the spider, and that air pressure push the spider up while it wants to go down. So the perfect spider become the not perfect spider. It become unlinear. So therefore, a very open design. Some brands, they use this. On Ultra, we used it 100%. It's totally open. There is there is zero compression.
There is no air compression.
Then of course it's Japanese neodymium engine and things like that. But that's another long story.
Yeah,
another long story.
Yeah, we can discuss this thing as simple. Viewers can understand. Yeah.
If you want an honest speaker,
that's the point.
That's Ultra.
That's Ultra. Ultra is your choice, for your speaker.
If you like honest speakers.
Okay, you have take a look for our workshop. So, what do you think about our workshop so far?
Congratulations. Maybe the cleanest workshop in Indonesia, maybe.
Maybe.
At least top 2, top 3.
Top 2, yeah. Because we are outside of the main city, because we are not in Java land. We are maybe you can call us in the countryside of the main.
But good
city,
area, good air here.
Not
too hot.
Because in here about the audio system culture is actually pretty good. Everyone loves the car audio that we have installed in their car, and it's become the thing now. And we build community, and we have introduced this GROUNDZERO brand, and they love it.
That's good. That makes me happy.
Love it, especially for the plutonium. Plutonium series is we have installed in many cars.
That's a very honest speaker also. It's very honest.
Because from the visual is very looking good. First, and the sound has reproduced from the speaker is also good. Very good. Amazing.
So you understand what I mean by honest? Good.
Especially this Ultra series. It has higher.
Ultra is a different level because Ultra for us was not developed as a commercial product. It was developed as a study. We kind of said, what can we do if we don't need to worry about the cost? So the cost, always if you develop, whatever you develop, cost is one factor, right? You want to develop a car. What will the price be? That need to be discussed before you start. You want to make a pair of jeans or sneakers, cost. It's always a factor, and very often the cost structure is limiting your freedom. But on the Ultra, both amplifier and speakers, we said, let's take cost out of the formula. So let's do the speaker we want to do, and we don't even look at the cost. We just do it. Cost is not a limitation anymore.
There
is no cost limitation. There is no cost limitation.
There is no cost limitation.
No, we didn't look at it at all. Just did free hands. So at the engineering department, totally free hands. And it was real German engineering. It was Swedish engineering involved as well. There was some British engineering involved, because cost was not a factor.
Everyone is.
So the best of Germany, the best of England, the best of Sweden was combined here. Then it's not many companies that can do that. Especially the tweeter. The tweeter, we talked about the 6-inch driver, but the tweeter is actually the superstar of Ultra. That's the single best detail of the whole Ultra range, is the tweeter.
It's feature.
The tweeter it's big, it's difficult to install, but it's probably the top 3 best tweeter in the world money can buy. Both home audio and car audio.
Both of home audio and car audio.
That one you can use in a $100,000 home audio speaker, no problem at all. No problem at all.
Actually, I can wait for.
And you will see, because you will see how easy it will be to tune. When you start the tuning process, it will be very quick to make it sound great, and then you just add a little bit more time, and then it's better than great. So it's really something special. Will you use the Ultra amplifier as well?
For now, it's just the speakers.
Just the speakers.
But
it's a good start.
One day we can put some good amplifiers.
We will come with 4-channel Ultra amplifiers also.
4 channels.
Because now we only have two channels. We didn't want to limit the amplifier at all. That's why we said 4-channel can never sound as good as 2-channel. That was in our head, so we made a 2-channel.
2 channels.
Everybody asked for 4-channel. We made 2-channel. Sound better. But now we have a 4-channel coming.
But the amplifiers are already produced now.
The 4-channel is not produced. Development work is done. It's going into production. Now, but will reach Indonesia, I think, maybe, and end of this year it will be autumn. They are made in England, 100% made in England.
Made in England,
Yeah,
not in Germany.
No, made in England.
So it will size big as the plutonium, no?
The 4-channel will have
Those
same
difference?
size as the 2-channel.
2-channel.
Yeah, so easy to plan the installation.
Yeah. Because now a lot of customers, yeah.
It's still the best sounding amplifier in the world. This I claim, and I stand by that. The best sounding car audio amplifier in the world.
Yeah. Maybe.
There are smaller amplifiers, there are cheaper amplifiers, there are more expensive amplifiers, there are amplifiers with more gold. It might even be amplifiers with more components, but this is the best sounding one. So if you want the best sounding amplifier, you must listen to the Ultra. It's totally different to everything else. Yeah, actually I can't wait to hear the speaker from the Ultra, and also for the amplifier it will be amazing, I think. Yeah.
I just can imagine how you describe about this product. I think it's definition of perfect, I think.
Because who is right in a discussion? It's always the client, and at this moment you are the client, so you are right. So if you say it's good, that means it is good. If you say it's super good, that means it's super good. You are the boss at this stage. You are the boss to say. I can say this is the best we can do. If you agree, good. I'm very happy. If you don't agree, okay, we must do better. Simple like that.
Well, okay. Maybe it's all our small conversation about this moment. I hope you enjoy. Come to our workshop and seeing around our city, Pekanbaru, and I hope you enjoy the food, as well.
Yes.
And maybe one day, if you come to Indonesia and you visit Pekanbaru, you should come here again.
I would love to come back.
Come back here.
Yeah, Simon, can we come back here?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Someone will arrange all for you.
I want to highlight also, I want to congratulate you to your excellent interior job of the shop.
Thank you.
It's very, very beautiful.
Yeah.
I actually feel very comfortable here and relaxed. So it's a good atmosphere, very positive atmosphere. High quality.
Thank you so
much.
Thank you. Oke, itu dia. Itu interview singkat bersama Mr. Peter. Jadi untuk teman-teman sudah jelaskan tadi bagaimana spesialnya produk ini, dan juga sudah Peter juga menilai langsung workshop kita seperti apa. Jadi terima kasih sudah menonton. Sampai jumpa di konten selanjutnya.